Hi, my name is Adam Devon with Devon Builders. I am one of the owners for the company. We build single-family custom homes in Indiana and Michigan. I got involved in the building industry. We're a family-owned company, so my dad naturally got me involved as I was a young kid. Went full-time when I got out of college and been working with the family for 25 years. We started the company, my father started the company back in the mid-90s. I kind of got involved in the early to mid-2000s, took over running the business, I want to say about 2012. We've evolved from the types of homes we've done over the years to more custom. Generally, we'll like to use the same set of subcontractors on every job, so we ensure the same quality. We're not a big company, we're not trying to do big volume. We want to give that individual attention to our homeowners to guide them through that process. To learn more about Devon Builders, go to homesbydevon.com.